In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send CapCut video to Messenger. If you've just wrapped up an edit and want to share it with a friend or a group chat right away, this walkthrough will show you the quickest, most reliable way to get your video out of CapCut on your PC and into a Messenger conversation. We'll start by saving your finished video to your computer. Look to the top right corner of your CapCut window and click the bright blue Export button. A pop-up will appear. Give your video a clear, memorable name so you can spot it quickly later. Before you move on, glance at the destination folder shown in the window and make sure you know exactly where the file will be saved. This simple check prevents the classic "where did it go" moment. When you're ready, click the blue Export button at the bottom of that pop-up. CapCut will begin processing your video. The time it takes depends on your project length and your computer's performance. Keep CapCut open and let it finish completely. You'll know it's done when the progress reaches 100% and the file appears in the folder you noted. Once the export finishes, you can leave CapCut and head over to Messenger in your web browser. Open the specific chat thread where you want to share the file. This could be an individual conversation or a group, as long as you have it open and ready. Look next to the text typing box for the small photo or media icon, the same one you'd use to attach pictures. Click that icon to bring up your computer's file picker. Your file folder will pop open, showing your drives and recent locations. Navigate to the folder you confirmed during export, find the video you just saved from CapCut, and click on it once to highlight it. Then select Open. Messenger will attach the video to your message bar. Give it a second to load if the file is large. A short delay is normal. When you see the thumbnail or file name attached and everything looks good, click the send arrow on your screen. That's it. Your video is on its way. If you're sending a longer clip, expect a brief upload time. You can keep the tab open and let it finish. Fast exporting and seamless sharing straight to your chat threads. You're all set. Done.